Korea is a great country because Korean food is delicious. Kimchi is known across the world and it is healthy and it tastes good. Bibimbap it is very delicious and it is healthy. Korean barbecue it is becoming very famous. Korea has 4 seasons. Other countries don't have 4 seasons. And Mexico is always hot, and Russia is always cold. Korea has many famous companies. Samsung is the world's best producer of electronics. And Hyundai is makes great cars.
Good. Okay.